Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. Please follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button, and also if you could please leave a comment as well. Today we will be making these butterflies. You might have seen them on Pinterest or other such places, and there are slight variations in its patterns. You can make them smaller if you use only 2 rounds, 1 or 2 or 1 or 3, it's up to you which 2 rounds you want to choose. And there are some variations in the last rounds. If you see, one round has picot stitch and one round has just chain 3. There is another version where is 4th round of simple single crochet along the all the way to give it even more definition to the last round. So it's totally up to you which effect you want to achieve. And as usual, I have made them in 2 versions. One is very colorful in 3 colors. All 3 rounds are in 3 different colors, and the other one is in white, one monotone. I hope these 2 different tones will help you realize what effect you want to achieve with your butterfly. So let's make it today. For these 2, I have not added a rubber band, but I will be making these butterflies into hair accessories. So let's see. I have made both of these butterflies in cotton yarn, and today also I will be using cotton yarn to make my butterfly. So first round is very easy. You will make a slip knot and a chain of 5. If you feel comfortable using a magic ring, then try that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have made 5 chains, and I will join first and last to make my ring. In this ring I will put my 3 double crochet clusters. So for first double crochet I have made 3 chains. Now I will complete my cluster by making 2 more double crochets. Then 3 chains, then next cluster. So this first round has 8 clusters of double crochets. I will quickly finish my round and then I will come back. I have finished my first round and woven in the end as well. So remember, you have to make 8 clusters of 3 double crochets and 3 chain in between. We'll start the next round. I am changing color and I'll be using this blue, which looks more like gray on camera. So I'll be using standing double crochet to start my next round. So you will put loop on your crochet hook, wrap yarn on as well, and then pick up a loop like you do for any double crochet and finish it like any other double crochet. So I have made my first double crochet in chain 3 space, and I will make 3 double crochets. So I will make in total 3 double crochets, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 1 more cluster in the same space, in the same chain 3 space. So each chain 3 space has 2 clusters and chain 5. Then we will make chain 1 and go to the next chain 3 space, and again we will make 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and my second cluster. So this is the second round. I will quickly finish this round and then I will come back. I have only got to attach my last one chain with my standing double crochet, and our second round will be done. Now if you have a look at your butterfly or flower, whatever you might want to call it, you will see that it is not lying flat, it is rumpling and crinkling. So when we do the last round, it will rumple and crinkle even more, and that's good because then we will simply fold it and make a butterfly. Even if you want a small one, you can finish it here. You need not make the last round, the third round, but I'm going to make the last round as well because I want big butterfly. Now let's start the last round. I'm not going to change color for the last round. I'll be using the same color. If you're planning to use new color, then you will cut your yarn, weave in the ends, secure your tails, and then start in this chain 5 space. I'll be slip stitching my way to this chain 5, and I will make my first double crochet here. Now there are 2 ways you can make this round. One is that you make 2 double crochets and 5 triple crochets, picot stitch, 5 triple crochets and 2 double crochets in this chain 5 space. I'm not very fond of triple crochet. I use it only if I really have to, and if I can get away with it, then I will certainly do. So what I am going to do is I'll make simply 7 double crochets, and I use the same in this butterfly. So let's do that. So that's my first double crochet, and now I will make 6 more. We have made 4 so far. Then you will make a picot. For that you will make chain 3, 2 and 3. In the back hump of first chain you will make a slip stitch. Let's do it once more. In the back hump of first chain you will make a slip stitch, and then you will make 7 double crochets in the same space. Or if you are using triple crochets, then you will make 5 triple crochets and 2 double crochets. So this is my 3rd double crochet, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Now you will make 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, and then you will start in the next chain 5 space. So we will make 7 double crochets. So that's 2, after making 7 double crochets, you will make 3 chains and make your picot stitch by making a slip stitch in the back hump of first chain, and you will continue by making 7 double crochets. So I will finish this last round. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then we will make 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space. So as you can see, it's rumpling and ruffling and crinkling, though we have only made 2 petals, wings, whatever you might want to call them. So I'll quickly finish this round and then come back and show you how we can turn this butterfly into a hair accessory. I have finished the last chain 5 space as well, and we will make 1 chain and then make single crochet in this chain 1 space, and we will pick up a loop from our first double crochet to pin it together. Now this is the wrong side of my flower, and we will fold it like a sandwich. So simply take it and fold it. You will have, because it has 8 petals, so 4 are lying on the other 4. So this is where I am. This is where my yarn is. What I'm going to do is I will pick a loop on the other side so that I can join these 2 sides together. This is where I am in the center. 2 petals here, 2 there, and this is the centers of the other side, and I will pick that single crochet. I will try to use my single crochet from the other side, and I will slip stitch to join them. Now I will make a chain long enough to wrap around the middle section of my butterfly. If you want, you can use a contrasting color, black, brown, so that it's more prominent. I will use the same yarn, and I will also, once I have finished my chain, I will put my hair tie in it so that it becomes a butterfly. So let's make a chain long enough to wrap around it. There is no count for it, because of course it depends upon how big or small your crochet hook is, your yarn, your stitches, so you will have to just guess it and check it a couple of times. So I think that's much is enough. I will a bit cinch it as well. I will not keep it loose. I will cinch it, keep it tight. So I can cut my yarn here. So after putting the hair tie in, I will ensure that the chain is lying flat. Its right side where the V's are visible is up, and I think I will shorten it a bit. And then in the starting chain I will just make a couple of slip stitches to secure it. This is the tail end that we can weave in and cut, and this is our hair tie. You can put a drop of any adhesive glue material, or glue, so that it does not move around if it bothers you, because it does not affect me much, so I'm not going to bother with that. I will simply weave in the end and then show you the final look. So this is our butterfly hair tie, hair accessory, and you can even put it on hair clips. I have even told you the variations that you can make by skipping one round, second round or third round, and how to make different types of last round with 5 double crochets, 7 picot, triple crochet, double crochet. So there are a lot of variations that you can try till you find the one that you like the best. And I will see you next time with a new project, and I hope you will leave a comment about our today's work, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care.